Hi, my name is Ben. I'm an interior designer and project manager for M2 Decor. With a small group of us, we try to create a very personalized service to our clients. So in terms of creativity, we always try to listen to your needs and wants, and we try to incorporate them into the home. Recently, we participated in a design competition, and fortunately, just this year, we won ourselves an award. Winning this award is a very good form of recognition in terms of the effort we have put in and the journey we have came so far. It's also to encourage us to do even better next year. So I feel that this is one of the highest points in my career because my client gave me total freedom to execute whatever I propose in his home. I designed the HDB that really looked like a hotel. So everything was very customized. It goes down to the coffee table, the sofa, the kitchen cabinet, the bed and everything. Everything was customized to the point to fit the space exactly. So from outside, you can't actually tell it looks like a HDB. So I think that's the reason why this project actually stood out among the rest. Price itself is very subjective. So when it comes to design and the materials used, right, they have different price points to it. I would rather focus on service competitiveness. That to me will make a key difference to everything.